It stalled. Let's see this mistake again. Add the rear brake for balance and stability, but avoid stomping on it. Learn the feel and geometry of the brake lever. Welcome to Mods and Rides. This is RJ, your host. There's nothing like your first motorcycle. Freedom, excitement, and a new way to see the world. But with that freedom comes responsibility. New riders often pick up bad habits that can lead to trouble. Today, we're breaking down the 7 most common mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. Think of me as your riding friend, here to help you build a solid foundation for safe, confident riding. We're not here to scare you, but to empower you to become a smarter, safer rider. Let's dive in. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to think about your gear. Riding a motorcycle is thrilling, but it comes with real risks, and your safety starts long before you hit the road. Too many new riders make the mistake of heading out in t-shirts, jeans, or even just sneakers, thinking a short trip doesn't require full protection. But the pavement doesn't care if you're going around the block or across the country. A fall at any speed can cause serious injury. That's why the ADGAD mindset, all the gear, all the time, is so important. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's your best line of defense against the unexpected. A quality helmet and an armored jacket are the foundation of your protection. Helmets save lives, and jackets with armor can prevent painful road rash and broken bones. Don't forget riding pants, sturdy gloves, and proper boots. These aren't just accessories, they're essential gear that shields your body from impact and abrasion. Today's motorcycle gear is more comfortable, breathable, and stylish than ever before. There's no reason to compromise on safety or looks. Modern gear fits every style and budget. Your hands and feet are especially vulnerable in a crash, so never skip gloves or boots. Even a minor spill can mean months of recovery if your extremities aren't protected. Make gearing up a non-negotiable ritual before every ride, no matter how short or familiar the route may seem. Those extra minutes spent putting on your gear could save you from months or even years of painful recovery and regret. Remember, you're not just dressing for the ride, you're dressing for the slide. Accidents happen in a split second, and your gear is your last line of defense. Your future self will thank you for making safety a priority every single time you ride. Safety isn't just a checklist, it's a mindset that starts before you even turn the key. Gear up, ride smart, and enjoy the journey knowing you're protected. Let's talk clutch control, the key to smooth, safe riding. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to use the clutch is essential for every motorcyclist. It's not just about getting the bike moving, it's about feeling connected to your machine and being in full control at all times. Many beginners treat the clutch like an on-off switch, leading to stalls or jerky starts. This can be frustrating and even a little intimidating, especially in traffic or at busy intersections. But with the right technique, you can avoid these common mistakes and ride with confidence. The secret is mastering the friction zone, the point where the clutch starts to engage. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to control the power delivery to the rear wheel with precision. It's a delicate balance, but once you find it, you'll notice your starts become much smoother. Practice in an empty lot. Slowly release the clutch until the bike creeps forward, then pull it back in. Focus on feeling the exact point where the engine and transmission connect. This is your friction zone, and getting comfortable with it is crucial for low-speed control and confidence. Repeat this exercise until it's second nature. The more you practice, the more your muscle memory will develop, making clutch control feel effortless. Don't rush. Take your time to really get a feel for your bike. Add a touch of throttle for a seamless takeoff. Coordinating the throttle and clutch together is what separates a beginner from a skilled rider. With practice, you'll be able to launch smoothly every time, even on hills or with a passenger. Let's look at it in detail on my Tiger 900. Let me release the clutch lever completely at once and see what happens. It stalled. Let's see this mistake again. Look at my hand releasing the clutch lever all at once. Of course it will stall, and we don't want this. Now let's fix the mistake and do it the correct way. Watch how I gently release the clutch lever and the bike responding to that magically. This is what you should master. Let's try again. Some of the bikes these days have a feature which will assist you to move from a stop. It is like the bike itself gives a bit of acceleration. As you can see, I'm not giving any throttle, but not all motorcycles have this feature, and you need to master the normal way, that is, proper clutch control and throttle coordination, so you are comfortable riding other motorcycles as well. Every bike's friction zone feels different, so spend time getting to know yours. If you ride different motorcycles, always take a moment to find the friction zone before heading out. This small step can make a big difference in your control and safety. Smooth clutch control boosts your confidence and transforms your riding. You'll feel more relaxed, more in tune with your bike, and ready to handle any situation that comes your way. This is a skill you'll use every time you ride, from city streets to winding back roads. Make it second nature, and you'll enjoy a safer, smoother, and more enjoyable ride every time you hit the road. Ready to ride? Not so fast, check your bike first. A quick pre-ride inspection can prevent big problems. Use the T-Clocks checklist: tires, controls, lights, oil, chassis, and stands. Check tire pressure and condition, test levers and throttle, confirm all lights work, check oil level, inspect the chain and stands. This takes less than 2 minutes and gives you peace of mind. Make it a habit before every ride. Your safety depends on a well-maintained machine. Don't skip it. A quick check now can save you from a breakdown or worse later. Be as ready as your bike. Corners are thrilling but also risky for new riders. The golden rule: slow in, fast out. Get your speed right before the turn while upright. Braking while leaned over can cause a slide. Use the look, press, roll technique. Look through the corner, press the inside handlebar to lean, and roll on the throttle as you exit. Your bike goes where your eyes go, so always look at the exit, not the hazard. Countersteering feels odd at first, but it's how bikes turn. Practice this on every corner for smoother, safer riding. Mastering corners is about control, not speed. Slow in, look, press, and roll out. Stopping quickly is one of the most important skills you can develop as a motorcyclist. In an emergency, your ability to bring your bike to a safe, controlled stop can make all the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Many beginners rely only on the rear brake, thinking it's safer or easier to control. But using just the rear brake can actually increase your stopping distance and may even cause the rear wheel to skid. Most of your stopping power, up to 70% or more, comes from the front brake. It's designed to handle the majority of the braking force, especially as weight shifts forward during a stop. The key is to use both brakes together, applying them smoothly and progressively. This gives you maximum control and the shortest stopping distance. Start by squeezing the front brake gently, then increase pressure as the bike's weight shifts forward and the front tire gains grip. This helps prevent the front wheel from locking up. Add the rear brake for balance and stability, but avoid stomping on it. Gentle, controlled pressure is best. 2 fingers give you finer control over braking force without fully clamping the lever accidentally. The other fingers still grip the throttle, helping keep your hand stable while braking. That said, the exact number can vary. Beginners may start with all 4 fingers for maximum strength until they build hand strength and finesse. Practice progressive squeezing of the brake lever. Avoid grabbing it all at once, as this can lock the front wheel and cause the bike to tip over. Learn the feel and geometry of the brake lever and keep practicing until it becomes second nature. Occasionally, you need to perform emergency stops. Find an empty parking lot and practice braking from different speeds. Begin with light pressure, then gradually work up to maximum safe stops. Practice these techniques in a safe, open area like a parking lot. Try stopping with just the rear brake, then with just the front brake, and finally with both together. Notice how much more effective and stable you feel when using both brakes properly. Remember, ABS is there to help, not to do the job for you. Learn to brake properly and consistently so you're prepared for any situation. But don't let technology replace your skills. ABS is a fantastic backup, but it's not a substitute for good braking habits. Make it a habit to practice your braking skills regularly, so they become second nature when you need them most. Your brakes are your most important safety feature. Respect them, maintain them, and use them wisely every time you ride. Target fixation is real. If you stare at a hazard, you'll steer into it. Instead, acknowledge the obstacle, then focus on your escape path. Your bike follows your eyes, so always look where you want to go, not where you don't. This is especially important in corners. Look through the turn to the exit. Practice in a safe area, set up an object, then steer around it by looking away. Make this reaction automatic. Let's look at this video. The rider seemed to be looking at the hazard rather than the road and went out of the road. Let's watch it again. Now with some arrow markers. Follow the arrows with your eyes. You can visualize taking that corner to the left correctly. Training your eyes is as important as training your hands. Look ahead and ride ahead. Don't forget to cancel your turn signal. Most bikes don't do it for you. A forgotten blinker confuses other drivers and can lead to dangerous situations. Make it a habit. Signal, maneuver, cancel. Glance at your dash after every turn to check. Even if your bike has self-canceling signals, don't rely on them. Clear communication keeps you safe. Build this habit until it's automatic. Small details make a big difference. So, that's it. 7 mistakes new riders make and how to avoid them. Riding is a journey of constant learning. Stay humble, keep practicing, and never stop improving. Make good habits second nature so you can focus on the joy of the ride. Always ride within your limits and keep the shiny side up. Share your own tips or stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, everyone.